bitch. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing another install video, but you guys, this video is a little different because you guys know I typically start off my videos, I typically start off my install videos with unboxing the package, showing you guys what's tea, what I got, what I didn't get, the length and all that. But today I'm trying out a new wig that I literally like never thought I would be trying, because I'm really not a fan of like the eye part wigs and the, you know, stuff like that. But I really decided to try it, and I'm very glad I did, because I already, you know, I kind of pre-tried it on and it looked real good. So we're just gonna try it on camera, and I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna actually do the leave out. Like, I haven't did the leave out and shit yet, but I did try on the wig and it looks so good. I did my makeup. Let's get a round of applause for Desi doing her makeup. Y'all, I'm really learning on how to do like a, you know, a little everyday face and like what works for me. And this is like kind of like my everyday face. And I can't even say every day because I don't wear makeup every day, but like, you know, when I do want to wear makeup, this is what it's gonna get. Okay, so the company I will be working with today is, I feel like my camera is dirty. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. The company I will be working with today is I Like Hair Wig. I Like Hair Wig, okay? This is my first time working with this company. I haven't gotten anything bad, or like I haven't seen anything that I felt like I would like to change, or like that's bad so far. I did go ahead and record me unboxing the package. They did send me a few goodies, like a wig cap. I don't even think I showed you guys the wig cap, but I'm not sure. But they did give me a wig cap, an edge toothbrush, some combs, like a bunch of little cute things. I think they also gave me a bonnet. And then of course they sent me the wig. The wig is an iPart wig. An iPart wig is basically where you guys can use no leave out to very little leave out. So they sent me an iPart Yaki straight 18-inch wig. However, I did cut the wig into a bob, and you guys are gonna see like how it looks and stuff. When it comes to this type of wig, you do not have to bleach anything. There's no lace, so you do not have to bleach anything. You do not have to, you really don't have to do anything besides take the wig out the box and put it in your head. So I'm just gonna show you guys, like, I'm gonna just show you guys, okay? First, we're gonna show you, oh, I hope I didn't mess up my makeup, y'all. I feel like I did. Yeah, I feel like I messed up my makeup. I'm gonna have to fix it, but oh my god, it's bothering me. It's literally bothering me, because y'all know, y'all see that line. No. Okay, I'm gonna have to redo my makeup. Oh my gosh, I think I might have to go do it right now, because like it's bothering me, and now I look like a, hold on. I don't even know if I fixed it for real, but that's besides it. Okay, so we're just gonna get into the video. I've been very much excited to show you guys this. I've been wanting a bob for the longest. I've been doing all my clients' hair, and they all been getting bobs, and I'm just like, I want a bob, but now I got a bob, so bob. Okay, cool. So I do want to show you guys like the braid pattern. I do want to show you guys the braiding pattern that I did use for this install. Typically, if you guys are doing like a lace frontal wig, whether it's a closure, frontal, whatever the case may be, you do braid your hair all the way back into cornrows. But this time you do want to do the braid pattern differently, because you know, you want it to be flat as possible, and also it has clips where you clip the wig in. So before I show you guys the wig, I do want to show you guys the braid pattern. I braided my hair like maybe like 2 weeks ago. I'm not gonna lie, I braided my hair about 2 weeks ago. I'm just now doing the video. So this is the braid pattern. This right here, this big braid going down this way, this is my leave out right here. And honestly, with this wig, you do not have to have a leave out if you do not want to put heat on your hair. If you do not want to leave out, you guys do not have to have a leave out. I personally want a leave out, so I left out this piece of hair. Okay, so this is my leave out, and then the rest of my hair is just braided down like this, and then the back is braided down like this. Okay, oh, and then this big braid is just all these braids all together going around into this right here, which is like right here. Okay, so that's the braid pattern. I just typically just take this and like tuck it in somewhere. It's like not the end of the world. I did go ahead and I greased my scalp. This is just like, you know, my little baby hairs that's just out. I was gonna curl them and do them, but honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do my baby hairs or not, but we're gonna get into it. I really should have did like a story time while I did this wig. I feel like that would have been like way more interesting. but I'm just gonna talk to you guys while I install it, I guess. I ended up getting Yaki straight because I feel like this will be the closest texture to my hair. I did not want to get Brazilian or Malaysian. Like, bitch, I do not have Malaysian or Brazilian hair. It'll blend in better with my leave out. That's only if you guys do want to use leave out. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's more like, you know, thicker, and it's just not giving Brazilian, okay? Because no, our hair is just not Brazilian. We do have these 4 clips. Now these 4 clips is basically to just clip on here so it can be secured. It's actually 5 clips. So it's these 2 on these sides, which is this, and then it's 1 back here for the middle part. I mean, for like the back area. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna just put on the wig because I'm very much excited. I gotta look at myself in this mirror, so excuse me if you guys see me tilt to the side. So you want to just take the clips. I always like to start off with one side and then go around to the other side. So we're gonna open the clips up. Actually, make sure all the clips are open. Make sure all the clips are open, child. And then we're gonna start off with one side, and then we're just gonna, and you're basically just clipping it on to like the top of this braid right here. So I'm literally just going like this and then clipping like that, and then, you know, it's on. Okay. Okay, I don't even know if y'all can see that it's giving, but it's giving. Desiree had to help me cut my bob because initially I was going for a side part, so I literally had my side part leave out and everything, but then I cut the bob the same length, which is dumb because, you know, one side has to be longer than the other side if you're doing a side part, but you know, I'm just dumb. So yeah, y'all, this is how the bob looks. It's giving bob. I hope you guys can see because I can't even see myself in the camera, so I hope you guys can see. But yeah, y'all, make sure it's, I can't personally see myself through the shit, but this is what the bob is giving. Now on this side, I'm not gonna lie, my cut game on this side is very much not giving, but this side is very much giving. It's moving. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna get into the leave out. I haven't had a leave out like since fucking like 2015 maybe, or 2014. Shit, I haven't had a leave out in a very, very long time. So y'all, we about to see what it's gonna give. I know it's not gonna give what it used to give when I was in high school and shit, cause y'all, shit, that shit was a mess. So we're gonna take out the leave out. You do not need a lot of leave out. Like, I could have probably had way less leave out than this, but I just do the most. All right, so here's my leave out. I'm gonna take a comb, handy dandy red tail, and we're gonna just put it in the middle of our head, and we're gonna make a middle part like these. I grabbed the edge control because typically when I do like middle parts, or like when I'm parting in general, I like to take like a little bit of edge control. This is the edge control I am using right now, so you guys know. This is some good ass edge control. Like, y'all need to invest because this is good. This is not sponsored or nothing. So you want to part, and then I like to take like some edge control, put that bad boy right in the middle like these, in the middle part, you know, smooth that hoe out a little bit. And then I like to take the comb and go right back over the middle part, because that really just defines the part and makes sure the shit is what it's supposed to give. So middle part is what it's giving. Y'all, I remember when everybody used to have their leave outs and shit, and some people leave out used to really be looking like this. I don't even know if you guys can see me because like the background has the black, so I don't even know if y'all can see the black. But people leave out used to really be like this, and the hair used to be bad straight, like no. So we're gonna be taking some oil sheen, you know, some little spray some little oil on there just to make sure everything is giving. Then we're gonna be taking the wax stick. This is like my favorite wax stick. This is the wax stick I use all the time, and you know, we're gonna add some wax on there. And that's just to make sure this shit stay down and do what it's supposed to do, baby. So just wax the hair down a little more. Cool. Then comb. Take a comb, and we're just gonna comb that bad boy right like this. Before we even hot comb, flat iron, or nothing, we're just gonna comb that bad boy through with all the products. I don't even know what the hell I'm talking about, y'all. I'm literally just fucking talking. Like, I know what I'm talking about, but at the same time, it's like, there's no point in me talking for real. Got my hot comb. My hot comb is like pretty high. I should turn it down. And I'm just gonna hot comb my hair a little bit. This is just the initial flatten. Okay, flat iron. And just and y'all see, like, it blends in. Like, I'm going to flat iron this whole side actually, and then I'm going to show you guys, because I feel like if I would have got like some type of Brazilian shit, like that shit was not going to blend in, and I was going to be mad. But as soon as it gets like a little warm outside, the ice cream truck will love coming outside. Like, bitch, it's still cold, like, for real. Okay, we're going to take this, and I'm going to use my baby flat iron to get like the front of this part. I'm going to take that. Come on. And we're gonna just grab onto the hair. Is this on? Oh, it is. As you guys can see, hair is flat ironed and it blends in with the hair like perfectly, as you can see. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So this is what it's giving. I don't even think I'm gonna do my edges. I just wanted to give like a natural bob look. Like, I don't even want to do no edges or nothing. So let's flat iron this side because it's not giving what the other side is giving. For those people who can't do like the whole lace thing, I feel like this will be like a perfect wig for you, because you literally don't have to do shit with the lace, child. All you gotta do is clip it on, have your leave out, and then flat iron. Because you know, sometimes people still do leave outs, but they do it like with a sew-in or like a quick weave. But you could literally do this in like 5 seconds. Like, and if you have 5 minutes to do your hair and you about to run and do something, like, you can literally clip this on, flat iron your leave out, and leave. Like, very much convenient. So this is how it looks. I'm still debating on if I want to like do baby hairs or something, or if I at least want to do some to it. Like, what if I want to like put my bob behind my ears? My edges is just not giving. It's not giving behind the ear material. Like, what if I want to do this? And most of my edges is literally tied up. I mean, braided up. Because, yeah. I might do like a little bit. I'm just going to take my baby flat iron and just like, you know, flat iron some little baby hairs, some. You know, we gonna always be together, baby. Actually, I'm not. I lied. I'm not. I'm really not. We're gonna put some oil on that, and then we're just gonna, you know, brush the hairs wherever we want them to go. Because I really don't even need to do no damn baby hairs or nothing. Like, I could really brush these hoes back, if anything. I don't need baby hairs right now, I should say. I might need some soon, but not right now. Oh my god, y'all don't understand like how long I've been wanting a bob. Like, I'm loving it. Now all I'm gonna do is just bump the ends a little bit. I'm just gonna bump my ends a little bit, and then we're gonna leave it like that, and I will be done. Desert's calling me.
Bruh, he going crazy.
Dang! Woo-woo! Yeah, look at the dog.
Now look at his face. He said, "No, mommy, don't stop. Let me eat."
Bruh, he going crazy.
Bruh, his nose.
Right.
Bruh, I'm gonna take it. First, I didn't know the shit was free. It's literally just whipped cream. But it tastes nasty. I don't want to.
Bitch, you tasted it?
It's whipped cream.
What if it's dog
no
whipped cream?
Sugar. Bitch. I guess I'm a dog. Bitch, where you at? Bro, not you having a whole photo shoot on my iPad.
No, not a photo shoot. I'm trying to finish recording this video.
For what?
For the hair, bitch.
Alright, goodbye.
Child, anyway. Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is how the bob came out. Very much gives, very much Bob moving. Okay, yeah. So this is how the bob looks. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna do like baby hairs and shit, but if I do, it'll just be like something light. Maybe I just might push them back with some edge control, or maybe actually do some little cute edges and shit. But honestly, I just feel like, you know, this is just like a cute little, you know, natural look, and it very much gives. I honestly see me wearing this a lot, like I said before. If you guys don't know how to wear, like how to install like frontals or closures or anything lace related on yourself, and you always have to go get your hair done, and you just want something that's quick and easy, something that you can do yourself, something you can literally do in 5 minutes, make sure you go get you a eye wig from I Like Hair Wigs, okay, period. Because this is just so easy, y'all. Like, it took me a little longer because I was trying to do it on camera, and then plus look at myself in the mirror, but you know, this is a very cute, quick look. Okay, so I hope you guys check it out and go get yours. If you guys go get one of these, make sure you guys go tag me in y'all looks, because I definitely want to see how it come out. And yeah, if you guys like it, tell me, rate me below how much, like what's your rate the bob for me. So let me know if the bob gives, if the hair gives, if it doesn't, if y'all like it, if y'all don't. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure you post your I haven't did this in so long. Make sure you put the post notification bell on so you guys are notified every time I post another video. We're on the road to 100K. And yeah, until next time, make sure you guys go check out I Like Wig Hair. I like hair wigs. I like wig hair. All the information to the company will be in the description box down below. And until next time, Desi out.
I feel roll this dirty, won't fall with no pill. Young nigga come from the hill. Won't show emotions, but feelings be real. I say, baby, yo, what's the deal? Phone in my pocket right next to the scale.